What's up guys, it's Evan Dangerfield here. I am at somebody's house right now. Okay, should I text him? I think I should text him. I'm just gonna go to the door, never mind. So today I'm going to be going to the beach again, like most days, because we're in California, obviously. And I'm gonna meet a bunch of friends there and it's gonna be a blast, I think. So, yeah. It's Justin! Ah! Keep recording everything so we catch all the funny stuff. That's right. All of it. Yep.
Evan from
So Brad just got off the phone with his friends.
We're on.
I don't think you guys have officially met Justin, the legend from California. Lives in a place under the, what is it called? I don't know what it's called. Witness protection program. So we're not gonna.
Witness protection program.
Not gonna reveal his location.
My exact location.
Yeah.
Or remain anonymous. Or my real name. Yeah, I may be Justin, I may not.
We just call him Justin.
Yeah.
Because that's a cool name, so
yeah.
That's what we're doing. What do you do for a living, Justin?
I post dank memes. I'm just kidding.
Dank! Plug? Go plug it right now. Go. Plug.
Plug?
Plug your Instagram.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Oh, account. My meme account? No, that's for like the... That's like my Finsta.
That's for your what?
Only certain people.
So you don't want 1 million followers. Okay, I got you. I'll turn the camera away. We're good.
Like, I've got like 3 people now.
That's pretty good. It's getting there. It's like me. Same. Subscribers. Alright, so now we just stopped off at a place to get a surfboard. It's so hard. Crank it, Justin. Crank it!
Blanket. It fell off. Well, here.
You keep drinking
Also,
if the blanket fell?
I can't get in my door.
Oh yeah, that.
Here, just climb in.
What a novel idea.
We just locked it in. Alright, so the problem is solved. Problem solved. And we got the board. Hey, look at that. It's in a blanket. You can't see it. Alright, so Justin, where are we?
At the beach.
The beach!
Yep.
Let's go. Alright, so we just set up camp, or whatever. And now we're gonna go swim. Swim or something. Right, Justin?
That was beautiful. Yes.
Thank you. So let's go. First I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. Go. Alright, so we're all done. Oh, that zoomed in too much. We're all done filming Ian's Thingading Bob video. So back to the action. There you go.
I can't really see it. Okay, it's recording, right? I knew enough to know that that's the button you press when you're done. No, it's not. It's not button. Good job. Ah, dang. So me and Justin are going to throw the rope thingy. Then, yeah, let's go. And pull. That was hard. I'm like putting in all the guys. Oh my gosh. Camera thing. Close. Next scene. What are you guys doing?
doing? Why are you guys why are you undressing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah.
Hello, sir.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Go, Mr. Crab.
Oh, dude, that one's racing.
Go. Go. You stepped on my crab, Casey. It's dead. Oh no, it's alive. Go.
Mine's dead.
Honestly.
But Charles, you're a father.
Ah!
This is Earth Radio. Now here's
There it is. Hi, I'm coming. Do you see me? I'm with the vlog camera. Here, I'll walk down a little bit. What? Where are you guys at? To the left. Nope. Nope.
That's west, that's north, so we're south of that.
Alright, we're south of the pier. I'm pretty dang positive I'm in California. Pretty positive. You know what? You guys need a vlog. Go.
How does it look in my hair?
Hey guys, subscribe to my channel.
I don't see.
Wait a minute, do the
I don't know what's going on. Okay. What's happening now?
We'll like ride, and then we'll like play a song with like our different bells, and we'll all have like our cue. So like, yeah, that's what we'll do as we're riding. It'll be great.
Young women, we had to learn choose the right with bells.
We can just do that on our bikes. Yeah, we can also.
Stop it!
Ah, ding! Ah. You ready? Dramatic shot. From Moana.
Charles, look, it's your house.
Offensive. Give me how much will you give me?
I don't know, you're not worth much, so I mean, I just
Oh yeah, check it out.
Yeah. Great content.
I don't know why I ran so far down. I'm alive. 11 minutes of recording. What are you guys doing? Obviously, you guys don't know this vlog life.
you should seriously watch it.
Yeah, we took video of.
I just want to say before the battery dies and I go get another one, go!
I hate all of you.
Oh, wow. See you
Follow
down.
me on Instagram.
At
It's K.
Evan Dangerfield.
Crosby.
That's way too complicated. Nobody's gonna go do that.
S-E-Y.
Nobody's gonna go follow that. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna go right back. I don't even know what I was saying right there. What was I saying? She's here, yay! Yeah. It's Abby, right?
Okay, Mom wants to
Okay.
get 7.
Hi, my
with
name's.
him.
Oh, okay.
Love you.
Well, you guys looking cute as ever. Let's go! Ah! Vlog life, yeah! I was supposed to be a kick. So how's life, guys? Is it like super good?
This is because we're short. He's
No.
almost as tall as us on his knees. I accept that. That's okay. Well, Leslie's mom just yelled at us the whole time. Well, yelled at Leslie. I had my earbuds in.
I'll just film, yeah.
Let's go in the water.
I'm not wearing too much of this. You cannot make me go in the water right now. No, you can't.
Okay, so that was fun. Game we got pizza. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Pizza's here.
Yay, thank you guys so much. I got pizza. I hope you guys are hungry. Pizza for every person. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. It was kind of a boring vlog, sorry, but see ya.
Infinite power, infinite power, infinite power. Infinite power.